Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you with another Dollar Tree DIY, and also this is going to be a product review video as well from Banggood. So I'm going to start with the Banggood products. So this is a solar panel light. I actually thought that it was going to be the kind of light that shines soon as it turns dark outside, but it's actually a motion censored light. And I'm taking this one out the box. I ordered two of these. So the first one I took out the box, the light didn't come on. So when I took this one out and I turned the on switch on, and the light shined so bright, I was kind of shocked. I was like, okay, so the other one, the battery probably need to be charged. I'm not really sure what's going on with the other one. I did have it out in the sunlight to see if the sun would charge it, but it never did come on. So I'm just showing you how it looks here. And you do not want to shine these in your face because that light is really bright. So I just turned the battery on, and they came with some screws where you can hang it up outside or hang it wherever you want to hang it. So I'm just showing a picture of both lights, one with the lights on, one with the light off. And also I went outside. Now in my neighborhood it's really dark in my neighborhood. This is when I walk up to the light and it shines. The motion sensor kicks in and it does shine pretty bright. And this is really not the darkest that it gets out here. This is when it really just started turning dark that night when I recorded this. So my neighbors don't seem to believe in turning on their lights. I guess they're trying to save on their power bill, but I like light. I want to see what's going on around my house. So this is the other light. I went over to the other side of the house, and this one just did not come on for me. I waved my hand in front of it. It never did come on for me. So that's going to be the review on those. One worked, the other one didn't. It may just need to be charged. So I'm going to go on to the next product. So the next thing are these mirrors. These are some wall mirrors. They actually stick on mirrors. They're not like glass or anything like that. They're like some plastic little mirrors, and they come with a little film on there to protect the mirror, and you just peel the little film back, and it came with some little double-sided tape, so you can stick those mirrors on your wall. I did not want to put these on my wall because they're actually smaller than I anticipated them being. If they had been bigger, maybe I would have, but since I changed things a lot, I didn't want to put them on a wall, so I'm going to do them in a DIY. So I'm using these picture frames from the Dollar Tree. I also use this folder here from the Dollar Tree. So I'm taking one of these folders from the Dollar Tree, the little plastic folder, and I'm just using it for the color. I do use the Walmart hot glue sticks or Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks. I do not like I do not like Dollar Tree's hot glue. So I use the one from Walmart or the Gorilla Glue. So I'm just taking a little layer of glue and I'm just laying it on the outside of the I'm laying this on the inside of the frame. This step you can actually skip for the way that I did it because you can't even see that blue part on this particular frame. So unless you want to leave off the flowers that I added, you can skip that step. So I'm just laying out, trying to decide on the desired pattern that I'd like to have. So this is how I'd like to have it. So I'm taking one of the Dollar Tree square mirrors. I'm putting some Fix All on it, and I'm going to follow up with a layer of hot glue. I'm sorry guys if it sounds like I'm rushing through this video, but my app keeps crashing on me every time I do the voiceover. I get so far and it crashes on me, and it's very frustrating having to repeat the same thing over and over and over. So I'm sorry about that, you guys. I'm trying to rush through it before it crashes again. So here I'm using the double-sided stickers to stick these onto the frame, and I did use some hot glue on one of these frames. I'm not advising you to do that. These are only plastic mirrors, so you do not really want to use the hot glue. I did wait a little bit before I actually place the mirror down, but I do see where one was slightly damaged, so I'm not advising that you use the hot glue. I did use the other frame without using any hot glue at all. These stickers hold pretty good anyway, so I just wanted that extra security on these, but it's okay if it comes loose because I change things a lot anyway. So I'm just laying these stickers out, and I'm just laying the mirrors out, and you just want to kind of match these up to follow the pattern and keep things in line. So this is how it kind of looks. And you can stop there if you wanted to, if you wanted that blue part to show without using these flowers. I'm actually using one of these leis from the Dollar Tree, and I cut into it, and I'm taking 3 of the petals, and I'm placing a layer of hot glue between each petal, including on the top layer. And once I put the hot glue on the top layer, I just take it and I pinch it together and twist it. Now, don't ask me what kind of flower that I just created, because I do not know anything about flowers and plants. Every plant that I have, they don't tend to last long. I do have one that's been hanging on for about 4 years, and it was down to only like 3 leaves on it, but it seemed like it's trying to come back. So this is how it looks, you guys. I definitely do not have a green thumb, in other words. So I use these same frames again, same size frames anyway, the 11 by 14 and this Rustolium spray paint. I'm not sure about the color. I will put that in the description box. So I painted them blue. So this is how they look. They actually still look black on this video, but they are blue. And I'm just doing the same steps. I'm putting I'm putting the glass back into the frame. Gonna run a layer of hot glue around the frame, just to secure it in there. Make sure you clean your glass. And I'm following those same steps basically with using the folder that I cut, and I'm putting the layer of hot glue in the center on these because these are going to be the round mirror. So I'm going to place a mirror in the center so that part will be covered up. So just using those little stickers, and I'm just placing these on the outside of the frame on the glass portion only. So basically that's all I'm doing here. This is very simple. I think all of these DIYs for this video are very, very simple. At least they are to me. They may not be as simple to someone else that feels like they can't really do any kind of crafts. But if you just watch the video and kind of follow along, you'll find out it's very simple. So basically just taking those stickers, and I laid out a design that I like to have, and I'm just lifting them up and just placing it back in place. So this is how it looks. Now it still has the film on it. So I did 2 of these, and I did 2 of the other ones as well. So I'm just removing the film on it to reveal the mirror, and this is how it looks. So next I'm going on to another DIY. So these are the margarita glasses from the Dollar Tree, also the bowls from the Dollar Tree. I'm using 2 of the bowls and 4, well actually 8 in total, 4 bowls and 8 total margarita glasses. I'm using the rocks from the Dollar Tree, and I filled the first glass with rocks, and you want to make sure that your bowl is going to be able to sit on top before you add your glue. So you don't want to overfill your glass with rocks. So I put some Fix All, and I followed up with a little bit of hot glue, and I'm just adhering these 2 together. Now these would make some pretty little things to sit on a table as well if you turn them right side up, just like this one. Well, I turned it over again, but I'm adding another layer of the Fix All to so I can build these up. So I'm just adding a layer right here now, so it can kind of get a little bit tacky before I place it on there. So I find that's a little bit easier when you're working with glass if you let it sit for just a little bit so it don't slide all over the place. So the next one, I filled 2 more glasses with the rocks, and these I want to overfill them because I don't really want to have any space once I connect the 2 pieces together. So I'm going around with a layer of the Fix All. So on this part, you actually want to move pretty fast on this. So I'm taking the 2 and I'm connecting them together. They're both filled with rocks. You will lose some of your rocks, in which that's okay, because you kind of want to fill them up. And you just want to kind of place, make sure that everything is in place. So I use some Fix All there, and I'm just going around the outer part with a little bit of Fix All to make sure that this is secure. And I followed up with a little bit of Bling wrap, and I do like the Bling wrap from Walmart better than the diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree. If that's all I have, then that's fine, but I prefer the one from Walmart because I guess the little indentures are a little bit smaller, so it makes it look like it sparkles a little bit more to me. So I'm taking some Fix All and I'm going around this layer. I should have let this sit a little bit longer because, like I said, when you're working with glass, well, I did use a little bit of hot glue, but I noticed that this one seal was kind of sliding. So you want to make sure that your glasses are set if you want to do these in steps. But of course, I'm doing this for the video, so I'm working and I'm doing everything right away. So this is the one that I had sitting with the Fix All already, and this one it did pretty good as far as me adhering everything together. So the next thing is going to be the bowl. This is going to be the top. So I'm taking some of these I'm taking the bowl and I'm going to use a soldering knife, a soldering gun, to put a little hole into the bowl. So I think I counted about 3 spaces in between each crystal here. So these crystals actually came from Banggood as well, and I will show you a picture of the crystals. So I'm just using this soldering gun just to put a little hole there, and you just want to take the little ring that's on the crystal and you just want to connect the ring. You want to put the ring inside the hole and you just want to close the ring up so that it can stay in place. So basically that's all I'm doing here. It's just adding the little crystals here. And you can use more if you like. I just decided to use only 6. So this is a chandelier. This is where I got the crystals from. This came from Banggood as well. I ordered 2 of these and it's really pretty, you guys. It's really heavy as well. It's just really small, so it just did not work for me. So I'm going to add I'm going to do more DIYs with the crystals that's on this chandelier. So I'm adding some Fix All to the top portion and also a layer of hot glue, and basically this is going to be just like the bottom layer. So you just want to fit this on, and it fits really good with this margarita glass. So this is the final look, you guys. I just staged up an area. Of course, I don't have the furniture that I like to have right now, but this is the direction that I'm aiming in. I do want blue furniture, so I tend to make things in blue. So I just staged up this area just to show you guys and to keep giving me inspiration to keep working towards that furniture. So anyway, that's it, you guys. Just showing you the different looks of the DIYs. And I will show you the table. It's actually the candle holder. You can use it as a table. You can use it as a candle holder. It's very versatile, you guys. So I like the look of these mirrors. So I just added some frames and made a DIY instead of putting it on the wall, and I'm just showing you guys everything. This area is all of B. Michelle's DIYs or furniture revamps or whatever you want to call it. So this will give me inspiration to keep working towards getting my place the way I desire to have it. So just showing you different looks of these tables here. I actually added, I didn't show you when I added the tabletop. It's not actually glued down. It's actually just sitting on top, and it's actually a pizza pan and a charger from the Dollar Tree that I just placed on top. So it's not glued down or anything, so you can just actually remove that. It's very versatile. You can use this as you can use it in a wedding as well too. You can use it as candle holders, a table. You can actually make this a lamp. So I actually you'll see in the pictures, I actually put one of the battery operated push lights inside to make it a lamp as well, and this can sit on the table. So basically that's it, you guys. I'm just showing the different looks. That's the lamp version. I want to take this time to thank you guys. I want to thank each and every one of you for viewing and supporting my channel. I want to thank you guys for subscribing. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out on any uploads that I add to my channel. So thanks again, you guys. This is also another look with the lei flowers just laid in there. So that's it, you guys. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. You guys are great, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you. And until next time, bye.